Community Center's Hemp Fest. The panel was titled Legalization and the Future of the Cannabis Industry, What It Means for You. For KMUD News, this is Carrie Reynolds.
Thanks, Carrie, for that report. Water politics are next. A recently released study by the U.S. Geological Survey reveals that increased groundwater pumping
What are you going to do without marijuana?
In parts of the San Joaquin Valley faster
I don't know what I would do.
widely than ever before measured. Their area impacted stretches along the western side of the valley, covering parts of Merced, Madera, and Fresno counties. The subsiding land area will potentially damage man-made structures and farming operations. Decreasing groundwater reserves will also create more hardship on valley farms and towns already struggling for water supplies, facing another drought year. Vic Bedoyan reports.
Research by the U.S. Geological Survey shows a large area of the western San Joaquin Valley is sinking at an alarming rate. Michelle Sneed is the lead author of the study.
We found that this subsidence bowl was about 1,200 square miles in size, and that size was affected by at least 1 inch during a 2-year period, and as much as 21 inches during a 2-year period.
Researchers found out that the depleted aquifer is compacting the clay layers underground, causing the surface to slump. In some areas, the land is sinking by nearly 1 foot a year. Again, Michelle Sneed.
The problem with that is its location is where a lot of infrastructure runs through the valley. So, and that was our intent for the study, was really to assess subsidence, to see where maybe infrastructure is being
drafting here,
impacted
man.
by subsidence, and found that the Delta Mendota Canal is being impacted, but a fairly small amount compared to the East Side Bypass, which is the primary flood control channel in the area, and also the San Joaquin River.
Did you leave any
Similar
windows
levels
open?
of subsidence occurred in the 1950s before water conveyance systems built by the state and federal governments delivered more surface water for valley farms from Northern California. But during that same period of time, growers have planted nearly 1 million acres of high-value crops like almonds, pistachios, stone fruit, and grapes. Sneed says that prompted more reliance on groundwater, especially during periods of drought when surface water was in short supply.